Um, I'm playing football fashion today, and let's see how people play in here. So yeah, let's start playing. Sorry, my mic is like this. It's just like a little bit broken, but I'll like. Yo guys, I'm gonna give you a hint. See a lot of money. I'm just saying, for the people that have a lot of money can afford like a Razer mouse. It helps you a lot in this game. Almost every game. I swear. It's my settings. I know it's a little bit low, but don't use it if you don't want to because it's gonna be bad. Because my mouse has a lot of DPI in it, so just saying, if you want a Razer mouse, go ahead and buy it. If you don't, see you don't have a lot of money, don't buy it, or do your chores or something to buy it. Some cost $20, some cost more. But just saying. Yo, please subscribe, guys. I'm just getting a little bit sad. None of y'all are subscribed to my channel. I want to reach 1K. Just please subscribe. And that will make my day happy. I swear. Just please subscribe. This is the best thing that